Hello everyone! Welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best hand crank radio on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Leaton XSY-330 hand crank radio, highlighting its features, performance, and why it stands out. So, let's get started. Product features: massive 10,000 mAh power bank. The Leaton XSY-330 comes with a powerful 10,000 mAh battery, giving you enough backup to charge your phone, tablet, or small USB devices during emergencies. It's a lifesaver when there's no electricity, making it an essential tool for power outages and travel. Reliable NOAA NAM and FM weather alerts. This radio keeps you informed with real-time NOAA NAA weather updates and AM and FM broadcasts. Whether it's storms, emergencies, or daily news, the strong reception ensures you never miss important information, even in remote areas or unexpected situations. Multiple lighting options. Equipped with a super bright torch, a 48 LED reading lamp, and a 1.3 W soft reading light, it delivers powerful illumination anywhere. These lighting modes help you read, navigate, or signal for help, making it ideal for both emergencies and outdoor adventures. SOS alarm plus compass for safety. The built-in SOS alarm emits a loud emergency sound to attract attention when needed. Paired with a helpful compass for basic navigation, this radio supports your safety during hiking, camping, or nighttime emergencies when quick direction and help are essential. Triple charging options. You can recharge the device using Type-C USB, solar panels, or the hand crank. This ensures uninterrupted power supply even during long outages. With multiple charging choices, it's perfect for disaster kits, outdoor trips, or long-term off-grid situations. Compact, portable, and durable design. Weighing only 500 grams with an IPX3 water-resistant body, the XSY-330 is built for the outdoors. Its rugged design protects it from splashes and light rain, while its compact size makes it easy to carry in backpacks, emergency kits, or camping bags. Easy knob operation plus clear reception. Using this radio is simple. Just turn the knob to access weather updates or your favorite stations. The stable FM/AM reception ensures clear sound, allowing you to stay connected effortlessly during daily use, emergencies, outdoor tasks, or road trips. Pros: large 10,000 mAh battery with power bank function. NOAA plus AM and FM coverage for emergencies. Bright multi-mode lights and SOS alarm. Solar, hand crank, and Type-C charging. Portable, durable, and water-resistant design. Cons: not a Bluetooth speaker. Solar charging is slow in low sunlight. SOS alarm may be too loud for indoor use. Final thoughts. The Leaton XSY-330 hand crank radio is a smart, reliable, and multifunctional emergency device. From power backup to weather alerts, lighting, and safety features, it delivers everything you need for outdoor adventures and crisis situations. A must-have for preparations and travel. Here's something you shouldn't miss. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more amazing recommendations.